Hey guys, welcome back to Jaguar Digital. My name is Chris. In this video, we're going to create a email campaign from scratch using Mailster. That campaign will consist of, number one, we're going to create a list. Number two, we're going to create a form. Number three, we're going to create thank you pages. And number four, we're going to create an email message, all using Mailster. So let's jump right in. All right, for those of you who are new to the channel or new to me, then I use Mailster email marketing WordPress plugin for all of my emails, everything. And the reason is you come over here to free PDF and watch this video. I got shut down by Aweber, lost all my contacts, over 100,000 contacts. So what I decided to do is create my own system, and this free PDF shows you how to do that right there. So over here on resources, Mailster is a one-time $1.99. There's no monthly fees other than your VPS server, which for me, I can send unlimited emails under 50 bucks a month. Okay, VPS server right there. There's several servers out there. I use Contabo because I like it, and that creates my entire system right there. So that's enough about that. Let's jump right into the video. Okay, and you can see our all-in-one system uses Mailster for our email marketing. The first thing we have to do, if we're going to give it away via email, we have to set up our autoresponder campaign. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go right here to newsletter. This is Mailster. And we're going to go to, we have to create a list and a form first. So the first thing let's do, let's create a list. And we'll name this list, let's see, let me get rid of that right there. Okay, list, add new. We'll call this ebook. We'll call it ebook. And let's go up here and click save. Okay, now let's create a form for our ebook. We have our list. Now let's create a form. Okay, we'll go to form, add new. And we'll put get instant access. Okay, let's click save. Okay, now let's design our form, and you can see right here, enter your best email, get instant access. We can change that. So our global colors, when we hit label color, you can see the label changing colors right here. So let's just keep it black for now. I can always come back and change it. Input text color, I want that to be black, and background color is fine like it is. Focus color, that's fine like it is. Required asterisk, let's make that red. You can see that will change colors as well. Let's just keep it red. Now let's go to the button. Background color of the button. You can see right here it changes as we change it. Let's make it, we'll keep it blue. Let's change the text to white. Hover color, we'll make that, how about red? And you can see if we want hover color text, you can see right there, but I like the white, so let's keep it white. Okay, fields, let's go to fields. And label, we've already done this on the global, but you can change that as well right here, but we'll keep that black. And input is black, and background the lighter color. Okay, info messages, success message color, the message itself white, and you can see that change up here at the top. You see the right here where it's now it's red, you can't really see it. Now it's yellow, now it's blue. Let's just keep it white, and background whatever color you want. I like success message color to stay green, but you can see it changing here. Let's keep it a little darker green. How about that? All right. And error message color, I always like that to be red, but you can see once again, if you want to change it, there it is right there. Let's just keep that red, and we'll make it a little darker red. Okay, there we go. Now let's click define the options, and let's make sure we're saving our work as we go. And let's go to settings. Now, if you want to redirect them to a thank you page, and you can see there's our form name, you can redirect right here whatever thank you page you want if you're using double opt-in. So let's redirect, but before we redirect, we have to create the thank you pages. So let's do that right now. So let's go to pages and add new. I'll open that in a new tab. We'll just add some new pages here. And let's edit with Elementor. Okay, settings right here. We will hide the title. And let's see, I may have a template already set here. Let me look at my templates. I have my, okay, let's just create one from scratch, and we'll make the page height, this vertical height, we'll put it at 100, and we'll click this plus button. Let's add some text, and we'll center that text, and we'll say thank you for, and then what we want to do is have them confirm their email. So let's add a text editor. We'll click the Rubik's Cube. Let's drag text editor right there, and let's center that, and let's change that to black, and let's increase the font size. We'll go to typography, and let's choose our font. I like Poppins font, and let's make the size right here, and the weight, we can make that 600. Now if we want to add an image, we're good there. Let's grab an image, and we'll drag it right under the please confirm, and let's see if we have an image here, and I'll insert media, and let's make it a little bit smaller, medium large, and let's give it a little padding at the top. So we'll go to the sections at the top. Let's add a little padding, and we'll unlink there. Let's go top. Let's add 100 pixels, and bottom, let's make that 100 pixels as well. So bottom, okay, and now let's change this font right here to thank you for subscribing. And if you want to add, let's make this Poppins as well. And if we want to add a text stroke or text shadow, let's change the color right here. We can make it, let's say if we want a red, and then we just drag this text. You can see how it changes the font right there. And then if we want to add a background color, let's go to style. Let's click on the main section at the top, and let's go to background. And if you want to do a solid color or a gradient, let's choose a gradient for now. See how that looks, and we can adjust accordingly. Let's see what the blue looks like, and the red. Let's adjust that a little bit, and you whatever height you like this. Okay, location, you can see we can change this right there if we want it linear or radial. I do like the radial. See, watch this. Location, radial. You see how that blue stands out? Okay, let's change this font to a white. There we go. And the text stroke, let's eliminate the text stroke. Let's make it white. And let's change this font to a white. There we go. Okay, let's save that and let's take a look. We'll click publish, and let's have a look. Now if we want to change where your header and footer does not appear, then we can do that by changing let's go here, we'll click on the main page right there, and we'll go to layout, and we'll go to settings. If we change this page layout to element or canvas, you can see it will give that just a second, and it'll come back and there's no header and footer. So I like that. Alright, so let's update. Okay, there's our thank you page. Let's have a look, and let's grab our link right here to this page. And then what we'll do is we want to save this template as well. So let's save as template, and we'll call this ebook, and let's click save. Okay, we'll come back to that in just a minute. Now let's go back to our redirect after submit on our form. Let's click that, and let's paste in that link. There it is right there. There's our link. Okay, now we'll scroll down, and under list options, let's click on ebook, and you can see right here we have double opt-in, and it's going to say I'll show you the email. We'll opt in and take a look. Okay, now redirect after confirm. So we got to create another page. When they confirm their email, it would redirect them to that page. So let's go to pages and let's add one more page. I'll open that in a new tab, and here we will simply use our form. We'll call this thank you after confirm. All right, edit with Elementor. And then all we have to do at this point is add our template and make a few minor adjustments, and that page will be created. Okay, once again, let's go to our widget, add a template, and the template we just created, let's insert that. There's my template, ebook, thank you after submit. Let's insert and apply. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll change the text here. Thank you for confirming your email. Your ebook should arrive shortly, and please check your spam folder. And let's change this image right here, and we'll put a picture of our ebook. And let me upload one. And if we want to adjust the size, we can come over here to width and height under style, make it a little bit bigger, and there we go right there. Okay, I like that. Let's save that. Okay, now we'll have a look, and let's grab our link right there and put that in our form. All right, let's go back to our form here, and under the redirect after confirm, we'll paste that. And now let's click save. Okay, now we have created our thank you pages and our form and our list. Now what we have to do is create our initial email, and then we'll come back and we will create the pop-up. So let's go to autoresponder. Open that in a new tab. We'll go to autoresponder, and we want to add new. So let's click right here, new autoresponder, and we'll call this ebook pop-up. Ebook pop-up. And we'll say allinone.com newsletter. And here is your free ebook. There we go. And we'll just pre-header, we'll call it ebook. Okay, and then we'll come over here to delivery on the right, autoresponder. We want to send this immediately. I'll put 0 minutes. And now let's design our initial email. So let's delete that. We don't want that element, so we'll put remove element right there. And if you want to add, we'll just your free ebook has arrived. And to access your free ebook, click here to download. Okay, now I have that ebook saved in my media pages. So let's go to media library. I open that in a new tab. And as soon as that opens, here is our step-by-step ebook. So let's copy to clipboard the URL, and we'll come back right here to access your free ebook. Let's highlight the click here. And we will paste our link right there. And we want to make sure that opens in a new tab. And now let's add if you want to add an image, we can add a full-size image, a half image, whatever we want to add, left side, right side. So let's add a image on the left. So let's drag that right there. And let's delete what we don't want. All I want is the image of the ebook. So let's delete all this excess right here and remove element. And now let's just grab our ebook. Click save. There we go. And if we want to change the background of the message itself, you can do that here. The contrast, if you want to change the link color, you can make that dark or whatever you want to do. Let's make that a little. Click here to download. Make that a nice blue. There we go. And then text color, you can change your text color. I like it black. Background color, if you want to change the background color, for instance, there's a red, an orange, a yellow, green. You can make it any color you wish. Let's make it a soft gray, which I like that right there. I'm going to delete this Twitter element. because I am not that active on Twitter. I'll delete. And Facebook, if you want to keep that in there, my Facebook link. Share this on Facebook. Just put in your Facebook profile name. Put it right there. There we go. Click save. So we're all good there. Now let's check the message. So let's send a test message. And receiver, make sure we click ebook right here. So let's send a test, and we'll send it to one of our email accounts. We'll send a test. Okay, now give that 1 second, and we'll come and we'll check our email message, see what it looks like. Okay, here is our ebook right here. So let's take a look at the message. The all-in-one system. Here's your free ebook. Give that a second to load. There it is right there. Your free ebook has arrived. Click here to download. Let's click that, and there is our ebook. All right, that's how you create an email campaign from scratch using Elementor and Mailster. I forgot to mention I use Elementor Page Builder for all my pages, and Mailster WordPress plugin. They're both WordPress plugins. Elementor, you just click right here. I think it's a $59 per year, so this saves a lot of money using versus the regular email marketing providers. You can even share the templates. So anyway, that's how you create an email campaign from scratch using Mailster and Elementor. You can see right here under resources, we get a small commission if you use our link. But if you have any questions, just reach out, chris@rchris4.com. Now, I wanted to clarify, I used to post to the allinonesystem.com YouTube channel, which I had to change to Jaguar Digital. So if you're wondering why you see the allinonesystem.com, I closed that or stopped using that web page, that website. The link's still valid. It just sends you right over here to rchris4.com. So if you have any questions, reach out. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe below. Send me a comment. What is your current email marketing provider? And if I can help in any way, please reach out. Till next time, bye for now.